How's everybody doing? This is Fix Right, and today I would like to share with you guys on how to remove and replace the inner tail light for this car here is a 2012 Audi A4 Avant, which is the hatchback edition. And the procedure should be identical from 2008 to 2012. Other models might be the same as well, so it shouldn't be too much different. So here you have the trunk popped up, and you want to remove this access panel by grasp onto the edge here and slide it to the left. Once that is done, you'll have access to the panel here. First you'd want to remove this electrical connector. We're gonna go ahead and depress the two tabs here on the side and then remove it. After that, you'd want to remove this 10mm nut along with the plastic bracket on the side here. For those that wants to do the light bulb itself, you can depress this tab to the left and then lift out the socket assembly outward. Then you'll be able to change out the bulbs. Here, to remove the tail light, you first lift this edge up about an inch, then slide the entire tail light towards the left to remove. Here's the tail light outside. Pay attention to this foam piece here, as it helps sealing between the tail light and the trunk panel. And if you're missing this thing doesn't glue on, so it may fall off during installation of the new tail light. So just be aware of this one. Clean up your surfaces, and install the tail light, the reverse order of how you took it off. Plug in your electrical connector. Make sure these tabs here lined up, and then tighten down your 10mm nut. I recommend leaving these plastic taping on the new tail light and then install to prevent scratches. Here's the tail light install. And once you're done with everything, you can check for the alignment. These edges, make sure they're aligned and looking good. Thanks everyone for watching. Again, my name is Fixed Right. Please subscribe, hit the like button,